Good morning, madam. Myself, I am Tejasri from second year MZC. Today, our topic is create awareness and vaccination. Why? Because of in this pandemic situation, so many members are not taking vaccination. You are fearing. I take vaccination. Some side effects are coming. That's why I am taking create awareness on vaccination. Now we can see COVID-19 vaccination importance and vaccination. Why we are taking vaccine is so important. Let us see the history of vaccine. In 1796, Englishman Edward Jenner introduced the first scientific method of vaccination. 1885, French Louis Pasteur developed the first live virus vaccine, rabies. 1892, 1988, first virus discovered, and 1944, first vaccine against the flu. 1986, first genetically engineered vaccine hepatitis B. 16th century, first mention of preventive inoculation in writing China smallpox. 1853, smallpox vaccination becomes mandatory in the UK. 1922-1926, development of tuberculosis, diphtheria, tetanus, whoop, cough vaccine. 1950 to 1960, first combination vaccine. DTP means the diphtheria, T tetanus, forming cough. What is the vaccine? A vaccine activates our immune system without making us skin. Many dangerous infection diseases can be prevented in this simple and effective way. A vaccine activated our immune system without masking us sick. For example, you can feel sickness, you can feel some fever, you can take tablet. In make some time you feel better. Why? Because tablet also some type of vaccine. That's why you are taking vaccination. Principle of vaccination. What is the principle of vaccination? Produce an immune response. Live attentive vaccine. Some reflected grow in the vaccine person. A relatively small dose of virus or bacteria is administered, which reflect in the body, create enough of the organism to stimulate any immune response. This is the principle of vaccination. Now we can see we are taking vaccination, okay, but how to work vaccination? The vaccination work in 3 steps. First step, vaccine work by imitating a bacteria or virus using either mRNA or a dead or weakened version of the bacteria or virus. Second step, the vaccine raises the body alarm. It trains the body to recognize and fight the virus. Third step, when the develop encounters the real virus, it is a primed and ready to fight for the body health. These 3 steps vaccine was the work. You can take any vaccine. Now, why get vaccinated? Why we are getting vaccinated? You get vaccinated to protect yourself, your co-workers, your patients, your family, and your community. Building deficiency against COVID-19, this facility and your community team efforts, and you are key part of the defense. And here a ways you can build people confidence in the new COVID-19 vaccination in your facility, in your community, and at home. Get vaccinated and enroll in the VSafe text messaging problem to CD. And you can take vaccinated, and you can aware also other persons also. You can protect other health also. COVID-19 vaccinated. Choosing to get vaccinated in the single most important. You are taking vaccinated. It will help keep your from getting COVID-19. Once you are fully vaccinated, you can start doing more. It is safer way to help building protection. It is an important tool to help stop the pandemic. The vaccine are safe and effective. The vaccines do not make you sick with COVID-19. You are taking COVID-19 vaccination. Stay safe vaccinated. And vaccinated or safe. See, 5 phases of research and development, 4 separate surveillance and system, 3 phases of clinic trials involving thousands of volunteers, and billion of vaccines doses and being administered us. And in this pandemic situation, in this danger bells also, so many members are not wearing mask and not doing social distance, and hand sanitizers also. Mask is most important. Now we can see importance of mask. COVID-19 carrier also there, healthy person also there. Without mask, both COVID-19 carrier and healthy person, transmission probability is high. Mask is wearing COVID-19 carrier. Healthy person not wearing the mask. Transmission probability is low. COVID-19 carrier and healthy person both are wearing mask. Transmission probability is lowest. That is the importance of the mask in this pandemic situation. Now we can see what is the importance of social distance. In these two slides are there. First slide we can see inside your home. Inside your home I have some COVID-19 person, but we are 6 feet distance you can talk. It is protect yourself. That's why 6 feet distance. Outside also any person you can talk 6 feet distance. This is the importance of social distance. And hand sanitizer. What is the importance of hand sanitizer? In this pandemic situation, hand sanitizer to prevent COVID-19, at least 60% alcohol content. Rub on both hands until your hands are dry. Use water, soap if your hands are visible dry. This is the importance of hand sanitizer. Side effects. We are taking vaccination, okay. Some side effects are coming. Reported side effects to COVID-19 vaccine have mostly been mild to moderate and short listening, like fever, fatigue, headache, muscle pain, chills, diarrhea and pain at the injection site. The chance of any of these side effects following vaccination differ according to the specific COVID-19 vaccine. More serious or long-lasting side effects to vaccine are possible but extremely rare. Vaccine are continuously monitored to detect rare adverse events. These side effects are coming. You can consult your doctors and you can use tablets. But don't fear. These side effects are problem to our health. Protect ourselves and others from. We are taking. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water or alcohol based hand rub. Cover cough and sneeze with a bent or elbow. Wash hands and after. Avoiding touching your eyes, nose. Keep 1 meter distance away from others. These steps are you are following. You can protect yourselves and others also. And conclusion of the vaccination. The benefits of vaccination extending behind prevention of specific diseases in this individual. They enable a rich multifaceted harvest at society and nation. Vaccination make a good economic sense and meets the need to cater for the weakest members of the society. These are the importance of the vaccination. For the most common reason parents support vaccination is protect the child's health. The next most commonly mentioned is prevent the spread of diseases. You can take vaccination, you can do not spread the disease. Prevention is better than cure. That's why you can have fear in the vaccination, but don't fear about the vaccination. You can take vaccination. Thank you, madam.